Hello everyone! This week's lesson is called Art-Inspired Animals. Your first step is to choose an art movement. I chose pop art. Your next step is to find reference images. I wanted to use the pop artist Roy Lichtenstein, so I collected several photos of his artwork. You then want to choose an animal. I chose this photo of my dog Chloe laying on my clean laundry. Your next step is to sketch it out. I'm using a program called Procreate, but you can use whatever medium you like. I'm looking at my reference photo of my dog Chloe and trying to capture as much detail as possible so that the end result still looks like my dog. Here I am struggling with getting the drawing correct. I'm also adding in shading to help me get the shape of my dog. Now that I am done with my drawing, I am going to change the opacity on it and trace another layer on top. Roy Lichtenstein uses black, bold outlines in his work, so I am now going in and outlining my drawing with bold black lines and shapes. Roy Lichtenstein uses a very limited color palette in his artwork, so I've decided to go in with really bright, bold colors, using only the primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. His art is in a comic book style using what is called Ben-Day dots, so I have incorporated them into my background. He is also known for adding text into his art. And voila! Now you have my dog Chloe in a pop art style.